Assalamualaikum grade 5. I'm your English teacher from Allied School. Today I'm going to start your next lecture. So open your English Oxford book at page number 34. Today we will start Unit 7, The Magic Paintbrush. Unit 7, Lesson 1, listen and speak and read the text and answer the question. This is a story. What happens while Sandra and Dan were in the kitchen? Here are the two characters in this story. First one is Sandra and the second one is the Dan. Both of them are standing in the kitchen. Maybe they are cooking something. Sandra was making herself a sandwich in the kitchen one day when Dan came in and poured himself a glass of water. "What are you doing?" asked Dan. Dan asked from his sister Sandra that what she is cooking. "Making myself a sandwich. It's for this afternoon sports. Do you need help?" "No thanks, I can do it by myself." Dan offers his help to his sister. "It looks delicious. Could you make me one too?" "Why? You are better at making sandwiches than me." "Really? I think you are being lazy. You can make one yourself. Please, I'm in a real hurry and I have got to collect my sports things too. Here are two more pieces of bread. Don't push there. Now I have cut myself, so I certainly won't be able to make you a sandwich, dear brother." Underline the reflexive pronouns in exercise 1 like myself, herself, myself, and yourself. Students, open your book at page number 35, Unit 7, Lesson 2. Match the sentences to the pictures. The speedboat is heading for the beach. Where is the speedboat? This is the speedboat. Number 4. You have to write here. Number 4. She takes after her mother. They are both good at art. It's number 6. Wet cement, keep off the path. Here is written wet cement. This is picture number 8. During your trip, we came upon a deserted village. This is a picture 7. The guard dog went for the burglar and bit his leg. Number 1. They had little food but they got through the winter. Number 3. Joe asked after you. I said you were fine. Number 5. The police are looking into the cause of the accident is number 2. Here exercise 2. Complete these sentences using the phrasal verbs in the past tense. These are the verbs. You have to convert them into the past tense also. For example, ask after, you will use asked after. Go, went, came, kept, took, headed, looked and got. Grandma asked for my friend Robert. I said he was doing very well. Robert took after his father and decided to become a doctor. He got through his exams with excellent marks. He looked into the possibility of a job at a hospital but didn't get one. The gardener was cutting the football pitch, so the boys kept off the grass. 4 of the boys went for a walk and headed for the sea. They walked out of the town and came upon an old farmhouse. As they got closer, 2 dogs ran out and went for the. Check the past tense in the table and on page 120 and use the past tense of each verb in a sentence. Here I have written the past tense of each verb. Make the sentences by your own. Choose, chosen. Dig, dug. Draw, drew. Drink, drank. Drive, drove. Eat, ate. Fly, flew. Freeze, frozen. Grow, grew. Lose, lost. Meet, met. Write, wrote. Ring, rang. Shake, shook. Shine, shone. Steal, stole. Swim, swam. Throw, threw. Wear, wore and wake, woke. Students, now open page 28 of English Grammar. Unit 8 is prefixes. Prefixes are letters added before a word. Sometimes we add some letters before a word to give a different meaning to the word. Letters added before a word are called prefixes. Sometimes prefixes change the meaning of the word such that means the opposite. For example, true, untrue. Study the table below. Complete it by filling the empty cells. Kind, unkind, wise, unwise. happy, unhappy, interesting, uninteresting, visible, invisible, sane, insane, divisible, indivisible, soluble, insoluble, impossible, possible, patient, impatient, mobile, immobile, perfect, imperfect, appear, disappear, interested, disinterested, trust, distrust, arm, disarm, legal, illegal, legible, illegible, legitimate, illegitimate, literate, illiterate, clockwise, anti-clockwise, climax, anticlimax, aging, anti-aging, perspirant, anti-perspirant. Here are the some prefixes. By meaning to, ex mean out of. Example, bicycle, export. Example 2 is boycott and expert. Inter, between, interval, interesting. Misbehave, misconduct, replace, reduce, subway, substance. Copy the sentences below, add prefix to one word in the sentence so that it means the opposite. The boy in this class are very obedient. You have to write here disobedient. We have add here dis and it is the opposite of obedient. Please lock the door, unlock the door. He was very patient with me, impatient. He said it was impossible to fly the moon in an aeroplane. He adopted the baby in a illegal way. Here are the words. Insert these words in these blanks. I was bored listening to his rather uninteresting story. Since I cannot come back before Friday, please postpone the meeting fixed for tomorrow. Dad looked very unhappy with my performance in the test. He was sacked for showing disloyalty. Students, form your own words with the following prefixes, then use the words in the sentences of your own. These are the prefixes. You have to make the words transport, postpone, prepared, monocoat, automobile, provide, triangle or tricycle, and internet. Make the sentences by your own.